Good morning, y'all. It is the day of the second annual NISMO Nick event, and I am excited. And this video is a little behind the scenes of today, as there will be some official content. But last year was specifically for the Z car, and this year I decided to open it up to all of the Nissan, Datsun, and Infiniti enthusiasts. So let's head on down to Bartlett Lake in beautiful Arizona, and let's see all of those beautiful Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsons that came not just to celebrate the brands that we love, but the cars that we love with the people we love. Now, my Nismo Z will be there today, but I'm not driving it. I think this 1978 280Z Black Pearl Edition fits the bill for the perfect arrival car at today's event. Let's go! So you probably can see why Bartlett Lake is such a beautiful spot to have this event. And when we had it last year, we had cars lined up all the way to the water. But it is 7 a.m. I'm here to get ready. I've got Concept Z that's going to have some stuff there. And then I have got Adam's Polishes from Scottsdale that's going to have some stuff there. And we are going to fill this parking lot full of Nissans, Infinitis, and of course Datsons. This is behind the scenes, so it's 7:15 a.m. I'm the first one here, and anytime I host something I get like a little bit of anxiety that like no one's gonna come. So I really hope that people come and I hope that everybody's excited to just celebrate the love for their car. Well, we've got the first couple people here, and yeah, we have no service. And thanks Cheyenne for trying to post stuff for me. And a great shot of the old school with the new school. So of course the navigation tells everybody to take a right at the stop sign, which is incorrect. So next year we will go straight down there and not through here. I'll tell you, no matter how organized I think I am, oh no, Apple Maps. I remember MapQuest. Remember MapQuest when you could print it out and read it? We need that. We need that. Well, hello. Head on down. Well, hello. Nice truck. Head on down. Yeah, the sheriff was like, I mean, technically you're supposed to have a permit, but I don't care, have fun. And he goes, how many cars are coming? I'm like, I don't know. I was like, a lot. So we have got Concept Z rolling in right now, getting set up. They've got some goodies, the behind the scenes setup. And then let's just talk about this SMZ right here that happened to show up with Adam's Polishes, Scottsdale location. And I am super excited that they came out today. The SMZ. As you can see, the Z cars are rolling in pretty heavy. We are starting to fill up. Good morning. Probably the best stock Z wheels, period. We love the carbon. So cars are rolling up and it's getting kind of crazy, and I am super excited to see all these people here already, and it's just now 10 o'clock. So that anxiety that I talked about earlier, people are here. I am going to go film some official content, so enjoy this little behind the scenes look at my second annual meet, and we will see you next year. Now it's time to get some B-roll of my car while the event wraps up, and let me tell you, it was great to see so many Nissan, Infiniti, Datsun enthusiasts come together in such a beautiful, beautiful place to celebrate their love for their cars, for their friendship, and for the brands that they love. Thank you to Adams Polishes. Thank you to Concept Z Performance. Now there will be an official video released soon on the channel, so make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned. And this was the behind the scenes of the second annual NISMO Nick Nissan Meet.